Today I want to be talking about a product that can help you wash your bike super fast. Welcome back to the JTI show. Before I got this product, I used to do the same thing of, degreasing it and soaping it, and then with the hot water and yada 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 and everything. But this product, I could get a squeaky clean bike within 5 minutes. Easy. And this product is this. This is my new go-to clean bike cleaning formula. Like, you spray it on the bike and just wait about 2-3 minutes, and then another 2-3 minutes just washing it down, and you're done. Oh, and by the way, hey Nike, if I keep wearing Nike to all my videos, would you sponsor me as a sponsor athlete? Alright guys, so I'm gonna go back and show you guys exactly how it cleans, and yeah, I'm not gonna tell you much about it because it's faster to see the result than me explaining everything about the product. Alright. This is gonna be your first bike wash. Yeah. Alright, so you got some dirt there. Overall, it's not too dirty because it's fairly clean. Look at that. It's just little dirt, grease, but not too much gunk. That's good. Even the rear derailleurs, it's pretty clean. Front cassette. Alright, so what we're gonna do is put the first wash on top of it, wait about 2 minutes, and just spray it down, hose it down, and see how it is overall. Alright. What's the whole cleaning process? This is the Finish Line Super Bike Wash. All you gotta do is spray on, wipe, or rinse off. Let it sit like this and just wait. What?
Why?
You have Kogo bearings?
Huh?
Kogo
Yeah.
derailleur bearings?
Is that good?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. All the dirt here is all gone too. Done. Alright, so we waited a little bit, but check this out. Brand spanking new. This bike just came out of like the bike shop. It's so clean. The chains are super clean. All the gunk, all the dirt just gone. That was the fastest bike wash ever. Like, look at those brakes. But we're not done with the bike wash, even though the wash itself is done, because we have to always put bike lubricant. You gotta lube it up. Again, Finish Line. And guys, there are many different kind of bike lubricant, but this one I like it because it's dry. And we're in Southern California. It's like a dry weather most of the time, so get this. Unless you're like in Seattle or I guess UK, you need an all weather, but dry is perfectly fine. And let's just put it on. I mean, some people just do little tabs everywhere, but I just want to be generous with the oil. I mean, with the lubricant. So I literally just like keep spraying until I see the lubricant dripping on the floor. After, what you want to do is definitely put it up the crank so that it gets on the cassette, on every single cassette. And you're done. Alright guys, so that was the basic bike clean with Travis's bike, and technically I think we could have put a degreaser. So guys, like I said, I think we could have put degreaser on the derailleur. We could have put the degreaser on his bike so we could get all the grim off, but next time. Guys, if you guys like the product, I highly recommend it. Get the bike cleaner from Finish Line, and it's really easy. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, share, comment down below, and please let us know if you ever used it and what you guys think about the product. And if there's any other product that you would highly recommend, let us know. Alright guys, peace out. Bye.